Topa PCP Filling Solution Provider. Topa is the manufacturer and expert specialized in research, development, and production of PCP filling industry. Our factory covers an area of 5,000 square meters, uses advanced vertical machining center, auto bar feeder, an oblique guide rail lathe, and CNC machine. This makes your pump and compressor stable quality, high precision, reduce produce and delivery time. We have over 30 highly skilled engineers and technicians with 10 years experience. Our R&D team is focused on technical innovation that develop compressors and pump with high quality, precision design, lengthened service life, and reliability. In order to help customers explore market, we invest a lot of efforts and resources every year into research and development. Thanks to our customers, provide improvement advice so that our products is going global. Our sales team is constantly working to deliver best solutions for our customers. We provide customers lifelong technological guidance, market development, operation and maintenance guidance, promotion and packaging design to help customers expand business. With much experience, we have gained global market reaching to America, Germany, England, Russia, Indonesia, and so on. We have all air filling products: PCP pump, air compressor, 12-volt compressor, tank, and all kinds of filling products. We not only provide one-stop procurement services, but also provide PCP fill solution to keep your air fill easily. In Topa, you will find the exactly products you want. Our products have to pass strict quality control system from material, each process, assemble to package, each product must pass 100% quality examination and the test before shipment. We have passed CE certification, and our products are freely circulating throughout the EEA. Topa is constantly from strength to strength. Improve is in our DNA, and we relish meeting these challenges as we move from one opportunity to the next.
Topa's PCP fill solution provider. Cooperate with Topa. Win the market.
Cooperate with Topa. Win the market.